In the 2D view, clicking on a pattern will display the rotation handles and allow you to rotate it. Several keyboard shortcuts can help you rotate faster and more accurately. The Shift key will constrain the rotation to 5 degrees increments. The Control key will let you use 15 degrees increments. And the combination of Shift and Control keys will allow you to rotate in 45 degrees increments. If you wish, you can also rotate at a specific angle by using the 2D properties. Select a pattern first, then open the 2D properties dialog box and type in the desired value. To apply the rotation, hit Enter or click on the green arrow. Thank you for watching and see you next time.